This is a buffer cross hidden hinge. Now let's show it. It can be stopped anywhere between 180 and 90 degrees. Then below 90 degrees, the door will close and lock automatically. This is the buffer part. This is the load-bearing part. The buffer part must always be installed on top, even if there are 3 cross buffer hinges. The middle one must be installed with the load-bearing part. Then the upper and lower parts are buffers. Let's see the effect. 90, 180 degrees can be stopped anywhere. Then below 90 degrees, the door will close and lock automatically. Dual damping structure, adjustable, very convenient.